Well, it's nice that it's just me today, because it just started pouring rain, so I made a run for the van. Kind of stay out, but it's progressively getting worse, which is not good. So, hopefully, kind of lets up. I mean, it doesn't look too bad out. I think I'm just right under the black spot, so yeah. Let's see how today goes. Ugh. Well, it looks like I spoke too soon. It's really coming down now. Hopefully you can hear the roof of the van, but yeah. Oh, it's letting up again. Just trying to psych me out. Yeah. So, come on, weather. I got goals to make. Money to be had. You can kind of say that today has rained on my parade. Ha! There's my corny joke of the day. I probably lost a subscriber or two from that one. So it's 3 o'clock right now, and still storming like crazy. I managed to go line up about $300 worth of income for me for Monday, but to no surprise, nobody wants anything done today with this weather. So I think it's back to Kelowna for me. I need to do a little bit of cleaning of the van because it's quite a mess still from them when they took it to Victoria. So get that all cleaned up and ready to go for a fresh day tomorrow, where it will hopefully not be as bad of weather. Yeah, it's not happening. Clean side of microfiber, all good. This is kind of damp, not really. Yeah. So let's go. See the spot right there. Alright. Clean microfiber. 3, 4, 5. That's not too bad. Actually, no, that's gross. Let's go again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's filthy. That's disgusting. I sit on that every day. So clean. It's fantastic. So, off to the evening gym session. I'm actually heading out early today. It's nice. I mean, I did finish up work fairly early, and that'd be why. Only $80 today, which sucks from the detail and jobs, but better than the 0 day. Tomorrow, don't really have anything lined up, but Monday, I'm already lined up to make $515. So that kind of makes up for the past 2 days a little bit. Splitting between the 3 in terms of my goal gets me fairly close. So it just means that I have to do even better tomorrow. So the goal is at least 500 tomorrow. Well, the day is done. And it's still light out. I think that's a first. So, gym is destroyed. I am exhausted. Food is now bought, so time to go pig out at home. And yeah, day is complete. Not really a success, but it is complete. So, I'm gonna be up nice and early tomorrow. Try to get a head start on the day a little bit earlier than I normally do, just because I do need to make that extra money up. And yeah, forecast says it's not supposed to be too bad, so hope that's true. I really do. But yeah, that's about it. So tomorrow will be actually today is number 7. Yeah, today is day 7. So 1 week in, and we're sitting at about $1,300 made so far in a week, which is okay. I mean, it's a respectable wage, I guess, but definitely nowhere near where I need to be. So I should be closer to, let's see, 2,100 roughly right now. So I'm way off. I need to have a couple $500, $600, $700 days this month to really bring my number back up. But yeah, I guess that's it. So walk the dog, eat some food, go to bed, get actual good sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Mike out.